I believe this is a watershed moment for pickleball. I think this is going to change everything for pickleball. I do believe that pickleball will be the fastest growing sport, not just in the world, but like Asia is going to take it by storm. I think the sport by itself is gaining momentum, specifically in the Asian continent where China and India are kind of leading the way. But I think as it comes into the GCC, it's going to have a huge impact here as well. The World Series is basically your top pro event, which essentially has 12 players from the US on the team side and 12 players from the rest of the world. It's both a team-based system as well as a tour system. It's got, in 6 days of pro events, and it goes from city to city. GCC is our first destination, and then we go to US, and then we go to different parts of the world. The World Series is going to be an iconic, tournament for the pros. It's going to be akin to the Grand Slams for tennis. And that's our hope is that it's already going to be the biggest prize money event, also becomes the biggest watched and the most watched event for pickleball in the world. Total prize money for the World Series is going to be more than $9 million, with $1.5 million committed for the first event in GCC. This is the highest prize money ever in the sport of pickleball. We plan to have 500 plus PWR events across the globe next year in 2025. We already have close to about 40 sanctioned events happening this year, but we're sanctioning close to 500 plus events across the globe. And the total prize money is going to exceed $10 million collectively in these tours. The India Tour. This is an exciting proposition for us. So we want to introduce the feeder tour for the World Series, which is our PWR India Tour, 12 events, 6 teams, $1 million in total prize money. And we have a surprise message for all of you today.
Hello, India. I heard you like pickleball. Well, I'm coming to India to play pickleball with you. I will be there to launch the PWR Duper India Tour and League, and to talk to you about your Duper rating. India, what's your Duper? See you soon.
One of the biggest things for pickleball in India, I think, having Andre Agassi, one of the most recognized tennis players in the world, to come down and play pickleball and launch the India Tour is going to be phenomenal. So we hope that we are able to do similar things across the world. We thank Duper for this, our partnership with Duper to allow us to do this, and we hope that we can bring similar athletes and do similar things across the globe. We're thankful Mr. Yuzichel is here today to support us as well, and hopefully we're able to do that. That's my team. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for your time today.
It is a pleasure to stand before you today as we mark a significant milestone in the world of sports with the launch of the Pickleball World Rankings, PWR, the PWR World Series, and the PWR World Tour. The Times Group is proud to be an anchor investor in PWR, a path-breaking initiative that unifies the global pickleball community. The Times Group is known for its innovation and its ability to be ahead of the curve in every one of its initiatives. PWR is more than just a ranking system. It is a platform that empowers players from every corner of the globe to compete, excel, and showcase their talents on an international stage. This tour not only brings together the best talents in the sport, but also fosters a spirit of friendship and sportsmanship that transcends barriers. Thank you, and let's celebrate the spirit of pickleball together.
बिल गेट्स, एलन मस्क और टेलर स्विफ्ट जैसी मशहूर हस्तियां भी इस स्पोर्ट्स की फैंस हैं। इस खेल ने वैश्विक मान्यता की दिशा में एक और बड़ा कदम उठाया है। पिकलबॉल संयुक्त राज्य अमेरिका में सबसे तेजी से बढ़ने वाला खेल है और अब ये दुनिया में भी फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग स्पोर्ट बनने की राह पर है। ये दुनिया का सबसे तेजी से बढ़ने वाला खेल है। बहुत जल्द पिकलबॉल का अपना ग्लोबल टूर्नामेंट होगा। 24 जुलाई खेल की दुनिया का एक ऐतिहासिक पल बना जब संयुक्त अरब अमीरात के दुबई में पिकल बॉल वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग यानी PWR वर्ल्ड सीरीज और PWR वर्ल्ड टूर को बहुत धूमधाम से लॉन्च किया गया। GCC रीजन को मार्च 2025 में आयोजित होने वाली पहली PWR वर्ल्ड सीरीज के मेजबान के रूप में पहचाना गया है। इस पहल को पिकल बॉल लीग एशिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और टाइम्स ग्रुप ने साथ मिलकर शुरू किया है ताकि ग्लोबल लेवल पर पिकल बॉल की लोकप्रियता में अभूतपूर्व विस्तार दिखे। पिकल बॉल वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग द्वारा कई रीजनल बॉडीज को एक छत के नीचे लाने से इस स्पोर्ट का गवर्नेंस भी बूस्ट होगा।